In this video, I will show you how to create this beautiful website in 15 minutes without writing a single line of code. Let's get it. To create a website, you're going to need a domain name and a web hosting. The domain name is the name of your website, and the web hosting is the place where your website files will be stored. To get your domain name and web hosting, click on the link in the description below, and that will take you to this page. Here, click on this little green button, and this will take you to Bluehost web hosting. And from here, we're going to click on this Get Started green button. That's going to take us to hosting selection page, where you can choose the package that you want. And if you're just starting out, you probably just want to go with this basic $3.95 a month package. And I'm going to show you how you can actually get it even cheaper than that. And now the next thing you're going to do is to pick our domain name. And if you're not sure what domain name you can choose for your website, here are a couple of tips that can help you. Try to choose short domain name, maximum 3 words. It's better to have .com domain extension, although .net and .org are fine as well. Make the name easy to remember to avoid any frustration. It should also be descriptive so that the reader can quickly guess what the blog is all about. You cannot put any spaces between the words, except dashes. If your favorite domain name is not available, you can put small words like de, a, or mine. Once you find a domain name that you want to use, just type it in and click next. This will show you if the domain name is available or not. Like in this case, the domain name is available. If your domain name is not available, you just need to come up with different domain name. But don't wait for a couple months only to come up with the perfect domain name, because I don't think there's anything called a perfect domain name. And here, once you get to this page, you need to put in your account information, like your first name, your last name, and stuff like that. Scroll down, and you can see the package information is on $3.95 a month package for 36 months. And if you're starting out, you probably want to go with 12 months. And here, you probably want to tick this, uncheck this. You can keep it if you want, but you don't really need to. But if you want to keep the domain privacy and protection, you probably want to tick that box. And now, I'm going to show you how to get this package for cheaper. The trick to get the web hosting even a little bit cheaper is to hover the mouse over this little X button, like you're pretending to close the page without actually closing the page. And once you do that, this little special sign up offer pops out. That's going to offer you the plan for $265 a month. All you got to do to claim it is to click this little green button that says Claim Savings. Once you apply the savings, you can see that your savings is going to be $48.48, and your total is going to be $71.28. Also, if you uncheck the domain privacy if you want, your total is going to drop to $59.40, which is great. Now, scroll down to the payment information. Put in your credit card details and check the terms of service. And click this little green button that says Submit. Then you gotta land on this receipt page, and you're probably gonna have a different receipt based on the package that you choose. Scroll up and click on this blue Create Account button. And once we get here, get your domain name entered and create a password. Make sure to make note of the password because you're going to need it to log into your account. Check this box, Terms of Service, and Create Accounts. Now our account is ready to go, and just click on Go to Login button. Now enter your domain name and the password you just created and click on Login. And once you get to this point, we got to set all this stuff up later inside WordPress. So you got to scroll down and click on Skip this step for now. Once we get to the second step, we're going to set this stuff later on. So we're going to click on Skip this step for now. And once we get to the step 3, we're going to set this stuff later on as well. So we're going to scroll down and click on Skip this step as well. Once we are inside theme selection page, you can pick any theme that you want for your website. But we're going to select the theme later inside WordPress. So we're going to scroll down for now and skip this step as well. That will automatically start to install WordPress for your website. After the WordPress is installed, you will land on the Bluehost dashboard. Right now, you have successfully set up your website. We just need to set up a couple more things and build our site. And now we're going to hover the mouse over to My Site section and click on it. this will load your site. And once your site is loaded, you gotta hover the mouse over the login button to log into your WordPress account. After the loading is finished, you will end up in your WordPress dashboard. This is the page that you will see every time you log into your WordPress account, where you can add your content, edit your content, choose the theme or the look of your website, among a lot of other things that we will get into. Once you're here, make sure to check out your email to verify the email that Bluehost has sent you. And now go ahead and click on Bluehost. And once you click on Bluehost, you can see it says coming soon active, meaning your website is not active yet. So we're going to go ahead and click on launch your website. Now our website is officially live and we're going to start building our website. Click on view site. As you can see, our website is live. This is the default look or theme of our website. In order to easily edit our website, we're going to install a new theme, and the new theme that we're going to use is called Astra. To install the new theme, hover the mouse over here and click on themes. Now, scroll down and click on add new theme and search for Astra. This is the theme that we're going to use. Click on install and activate. So the theme is activated. Click on visit site, and this is how our website looks like now. Next, we're going to install a plugin that comes with this theme. This will help us to easily customize our theme. To install the plugin, go to plugins and click on add new. Now, search for the plugin called Astra. This is the plugin that we're going to install. Click on install now. And activate. As you can see, the plugin is activated. This plugin has a set of pre-built designs that you can choose for your website. To see the designs, click on See Library. Now, select Elementor as your page builder. Elementor will make it easier to edit your design. These are the designs. You can choose any of the designs that you like for your website. But for now, I'm going to select business. Scroll down a little bit and select nutritionist. Click on preview site, and this is how the actual site looks like. To apply the design to your site, click on import complete site. Since this is the first time we're importing a design, we don't need to check this box. But if you have already imported a design, you're going to need to check this box to get rid of previously imported site. And now, click on import. Importing the design may take a few minutes. Once it's finished, you get this notification saying imported successfully. Now, click on view site to see how the actual site looks like. And this is how our website looks. Beautiful. You can also check out other pages that has demo content as well. Let's say about. Now we get to the final step, which is editing the content. In order to edit any page of your website, all you need to do is to go to that specific page and click Edit with Elementor. For example, if you want to change the home page, click on Home and then click on Edit with Elementor. And now we get into the editing section. In order to edit any text on the website, simply select the text you want to change and type in whatever you want. Also, in order to change the text on this button or any button, click on the button and change the text. If you want to remove any part of the website, simply right-click and click delete. This will remove any section that you want to get rid of. If you want to change any image, just click it and choose the image and drag and drop your image. Once you made all your changes, click on Update, and this will save all your changes. You can view the changes by clicking Preview Changes. And all the changes are here. Now we know how to change any page of this website. It's time to change the header and the footer. The header includes the logo and the menu. In order to change these two, go ahead and click on Customize. Now you can see there are two blue icons, one here and one here. To change the logo, click on this blue icon and you will be able to remove or change the logo. And to change the menu, click on this blue item. And if you want to disable the menu, you can click on this or disable it. Or if you want to add or remove any of the menu item, go back and click on Menus. Now click on Top Navigation. And here you can remove or add. For example, let's remove the programs. Click on Remove. And the program is gone. And if you want to add a new item, just click here and add a new item. The same way, you can edit the footer. Or you can go back to the left menu, select footer, footer bar, the text, and you can change the text. Or the widgets. Once you're done with the changes, click Publish, and all the changes will be published on the website. Now, let's close this and go back to our website. Now we know how to edit the header or the footer of the website. It's time to add a new page. To add a new page to the website, click on New and Page. Let's say you want to add a resume page to your website. Put in the title. And now, to add the actual content, you can either use WordPress pre-built functionalities or using the Elementor. For now, we are going to use Elementor. So click on this blue button. Now you have two options to create your page. The first one, using elements. Go to this element section, drag the element you want, and drop it into the page. For example, let's say you want to add a header. Drag it and simply drop it. And now, type in whatever you want. Also, if you want to add other elements, let's say image, drag it and drop it. Click here and select the image you want. The same rule applies to other elements as well. The second way to create a page is by using templates. Templates are pre-built pages that you can import into your site. So go ahead and click on Add Template. Now, you can see there are a lot of templates that you can choose from. Select the one that you like and click on this to view the actual template. See how the page looks. And if you liked it, click on Insert to import it into your website. So the template is imported into our new page. Like we did before, you can change any part of this website as well. Select the part you want to change and type in whatever you want. After you made your changes, click on Publish and Preview Changes to see the final result. And this is our new page. And this is how you create your website by getting a domain and hosting, importing a theme and demo content, and edit it to make your own website. Just letting you know that I have randomly selected this theme for this tutorial. You don't necessarily need to select this. You can select any of the themes that you like, and the same strategy for importing and changing the content applies to all of these themes. And if you're wondering how you can create a professional landing page using your current website, make sure to check out the next video that's coming up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and tap that little bell so you'll be notified the next video when it's released.